The Male Brain Book. Have you ever wondered what's really going on inside the mind of the man in your life? In her groundbreaking book, The Male Brain, Dr. Louann Brizendine delves into the intricacies of the male brain, revealing the latest. 1. The male brain is wired differently from the female brain, leading to differences in behavior, emotions, and communication styles. 2. Hormones play a significant role in shaping the male brain, particularly testosterone, which influences aggression, competitiveness, and sex drive. 3. The male brain is more focused on problems and task-oriented activities, while the female brain tends to be more empathetic and relationship-focused. 4. Men are more likely to compartmentalize their thoughts and emotions, leading to a more linear and logical approach to decision-making. 5. The male brain is wired for risk-taking and thrill-seeking behavior, which can be attributed to evolutionary factors and the influence of testosterone. 6. Men have a larger amygdala, the part of the brain responsible for processing emotions, which can make them more reactive to stress and less adept at reading social cues. 7. The male brain experiences a surge of testosterone during puberty, which can lead to increased aggression, sexual desire, and risk-taking behavior. 8. Men tend to have a stronger sense of spatial awareness and are more adept at tasks that require mental rotation and navigation. 9. The male brain is more sensitive to visual stimuli, particularly in response to sexual cues, which can influence sexual behavior and arousal. 10. Men are more likely to engage in competitive behaviors, as their brains are wired to seek out status and dominance in social hierarchies. 11. The male brain undergoes changes as men age, with a decline in testosterone levels leading to changes in mood, energy levels, and sexual function. 12. Men are more likely to suppress their emotions and hide vulnerability, as societal norms dictate that they should be strong and stoic. 13. The male brain is influenced by cultural and societal factors, which can shape attitudes and behaviors related to gender roles and expectations. 14. Men's brains are more prone to addiction, particularly to substances like alcohol and drugs, due to differences in brain chemistry and reward pathways. 15. Men may struggle with mental health issues like depression and anxiety, but are less likely to seek help or talk about their feelings due to stigma and societal pressures. 16. The male brain responds differently to stress, with men often resorting to fight or flight responses rather than seeking social support or emotional outlets. 17. Men's brains are wired for fatherhood, with changes in hormone levels and brain activity occurring when men become fathers, leading to increased bonding and caregiving behaviors. 18. The male brain is capable of forming deep emotional connections and attachments, despite stereotypes that suggest men are emotionally distant or detached. 19. Understanding the male brain can lead to more effective communication and relationships between men and women, as well as greater awareness and acceptance of gender differences. 20. By recognizing and appreciating the unique qualities of the male brain, we can promote healthier attitudes towards masculinity and support men in achieving emotional well-being and fulfillment.